Teen Jones at hotel in Manchester while visiting mom. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. On a bit of sad note to bring to you about an incident that took place at a popular hotel in Manchester, and this incident happened at the Tropic View Hotel in Hatfield. So it is understood that the teen, who is from Hearties in the parish, was at the hotel with his mother, who was actually visiting from overseas, and somehow he got into difficulty and he actually drowned at this popular hotel in the parish. So we're going to give you the latest that we have in relation to this story. So a 16-year-old boy has drowned while swimming in a pool at a hotel in Manchester. It is reported that around 11:30 a.m. the teen was swimming at the Tropic View Hotel in Hatfield, about 5 kilometers west of the parish capital, Mandeville, when he got into difficulties and drowned. No further reports of the incident is available at this time. However, it is understood that the teen, who is from Hearties, was actually at the hotel with his mother, who was actually visiting from overseas, and somehow he actually got into difficulty and drowned. So we're going to try to provide more details in relation to the identity of this individual, and also to update you in relation to what really happened before the unfortunate circumstance took place. But what happened here is very sad. And can you just imagine how his mother must be feeling during this difficult time, knowing that she was actually the one that was actually staying at the hotel, and that was why he was actually there. Such a sad situation, and this is like one of the popular hotels in the Manchester area, and so sad to see that this 16-year-old boy lost his life so tragically in what appears to be an actual case of drowning. However, we'll try to provide you more details with this story once more information becomes available to us. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're out for this one. Peace out and bless.